23rd of December and I'm still in shock because, you know, like it's the end of December. It is the end of the year. So, yes, I woke up today in 11 with my phone alarm, so I can say that I'm not failed today. Yes, I had a little time today to work. Now I need to prepare to walk with my Ming because I need something to buy for her. I need to buy a filler for her toilet. Yes, I know it's sounds not really, you know, like Christmassy, but yes, it's real life, guys. And today I want to finally try my loose powder. Yes, I can't wait to try it. So before I need to make my base, and then yes, this glowy precious baby. I hope I wouldn't be like a disco ball. I hope. Finally! Actually, you know, I applied something like real powder so many years ago, guys. Most of the time I use lightest nude shade of my eyeshadow to set my face, or just wait until it's completely dry and that's all. So, how to use it? God, what is this? It was closed. How you can contain all this trash in you? Oh my God, yes. Oh, it's like freckles, sparkly freckles. Oh, I can do something more, and yes, it is feeling good. No, I need more. Because, as I say, I'm not really, you know, that kind of makeup girl. It looks so sparkly and I actually don't know how to wear it in real life. Yes, it's sparkly and all my face is covered in sparkles. You know, guys, what can I say about this product? Yes, I can recommend it maybe for holidays, maybe like really like a highlighter. And this is my first highlighter in my life. I'm so happy, fuck. Господи, срань небесная. Короче. Like I'm, you know, like sneezing some drugs. Yes, it looks pretty good. I wanna be Korean princess. Yes. Why my lips are so, you know, like so pale? Maybe because of my BB cream, I don't know. But it's always so pale when I start to do my makeup. I think I need to complete all of this, you know, sparkly disasters. So I apply some eyeshadows on my lid with my finger because I don't know why. I don't know where my big brush. I hope my primer is completely dry. And you know what? The strange thing with this primer, if you try to like blend your eyeshadows, it makes a really visible border and it looks like shit. If I were a beauty blogger, it will be, you know, like the worst makeup tutorial ever, because it's like a blind person talk to a deaf person about rainbow. I know that in camera it looks not so bright, but I think that it's too dramatic for me. As you can see, I tried to make something like a contouring thing because I think it can looks pretty in some way, but something goes wrong, and you know, it's a funny story, but I don't have some contouring kits. So guys, I need to invent a bicycle every time I want to contour my face. And I use I'm sorry, and I use this big guy. Yes, it's palette from AliExpress. I use this kind of makeup, you know, like bright, really bright makeup when I was a dancer. Yes, I was a belly dancer and strip dancer, and we have our, you know, like little group with my friends, and we did Elvis show. Yes, we dance, and one boy sings like Elvis, yes, without any, you know, like background voice. He sings, you know, like real, and it was cool. So of course I used this bright makeup and false lashes and all of that jazz, because you have to be, you know, bright, and people needs to see your face from far away, even if this in the club, especially in the club, because lighting is always like, you know, pretty dark. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not enough light to highlight all your face, so you have to contour, highlight as much as you can. So, but in my real life I don't wear any makeup mostly. Sometimes it's just like a girly mood, and I can put my high heel boots. They have 60 centimeters heel, it like something like that. It is 3 or 4 inches, maybe more, I don't know. I'm not as strong in inches. I have 2 wrinkles on my forehead, and when I highlight my forehead they are so visible. But what I can say about it, I have them from 16 years maybe, so I'm 27 and they are in their place all this time. I don't think that my face changed, you know, like unrecognizably from my sweet 16, so it is genetic. I think we need to check how this all looks. Oh my god, it's flashing light on my eyes. And you know what? My skin looks normal, like I'm just glow a little bit. Oh my god. Of course, we apply mascara. always wondering when some girls are applying mascara and they're like, why you open your mouth? It just gave you something, especially with upper lashes, maybe with down lashes, but no, it doesn't change. If maybe I had some brown mascara, it will be much more appropriate for my look, but I have just only one mascara and it is black, and you know what I want to do? Yes, I want to fix my eyebrows with this, and oh, this cold feeling. And yes, this one. Please be normal, please be cool. Never mind. You know what is this? This is lipstick. Yes, and I use it on my eyelid because sparkles are never enough. Yes, some. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Yes, it's really sticky. It's mostly like lip gloss because it's transparent. It gives a little bit of nude color to your skin, but mostly it's some shimmer with champagne color. And if I applied this right now to my lips, I think I look like something. My lips are so pale, so I need to make some color. Maybe this will look good together, but I'm not so sure. It is too dark. I think that this is no. And now I can apply more shimmers on them. Yes, guys, more shimmers. More shimmers to God of shimmers. Yes, it looks like shit. What can I say? This experiment went not like I planned, but it looks good. I think it looks good maybe on camera, and it looks not so bad in the mirror. I want to mention that I finished my first patch embroidery, and I have the second one crossed here. Yes, I think I can finish it maybe today or tomorrow, I don't know. And then what I did, yes, I made myself these, things to stretch my jacket at the bottom, and I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself. Yes, because you just like always don't have a time to for these tiny things, and yes, it is really good. So right now I'm starving. I want to eat. I think I'll eat cottage cheese. I hope I pronounce it correctly.
Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese, yes, with some honey, and then I need to go with my mink. No, guys, it feels a little bit strange to hear these ringing bells when I just go outside. I'm literally stepped out of my door, and there was the first ring. So guys, I'm at home right now. I'm sorry for this loud noise. Whew. So guys, I'm at home right now, and my makeup is still on my face, and it's much more wearable than I thought. And you see all sparkles on my face? Yes, maybe we lost a little bit of, you know, shimmering, but my lipstick is still on. But I eat some lemon, you know, like candies, because I like lemon candies, and it's still on. I kissed my mink and it's still on, and it is really great. Now my husband will be at home after 20 or 25 minutes with his friend, so I have a guest today and I need to cook something, and I need to do something with this mess in the kitchen because I haven't washed dishes from yesterday's morning. Yes, it's not because I'm lazy, it's because I feel myself not really good and I have so much to do, so I'm not sorry. So guys, let's talk about sex. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but today I have two strange women's. One of them was when I just come out to the street, and she was like, "Oh, your animal is suffering because she don't have any boyfriend." And I'm like, you know, it is strange. Why are you care about do my animal have children or somebody like kind of boyfriend? Maybe you need some boyfriend, girl, no? So, and then there was another talk at the end of our walk with my Mishka with another woman, and she says the same about do Mishka have a partner, do she need to have babies because it's a wild animal. Yes, every animal have to produce babies because it's our destiny, and like I'm like humans too, and she's like, yes, humans are animal too, we have to produce our babies, we need to do it for fuck, I don't know for what. And I'm like, stop, I'm just walk away with silence. Yes, because you know it's blow my mind every time when I heard it. Okay, you can care about humanity, yes, but it is my animal. Why do you ask me like these strange questions? If I say that she had children and she had sex, what do you ask me about pose that she likes or what? People are strange, yes. So, I'm talking too much today. I think it's the right time to go to my woman, you know, like duties. I need to cook. Понимаю? Ну, как типа тоненький гребешок.
Есть расческа?
Не, нет расчески.
А у меня не будет такой.
Обычная расческа.